Welcome to the British Columbia Centre for Disease Control Shellfish Map. The purpose of this map is to provide safety information for shellfish harvesting locations along the coast of BC. This map will show you what types of shellfish you can harvest and where it is safe to harvest. In Canada, the Department of Fisheries and Oceans divides the BC coast into geographic harvesting areas and sub-areas. These areas may be partially open to only some shellfish species or completely closed to all harvesting. The Department of Fisheries and Oceans, or DFO for short, makes these decisions based on a combination of shellfish testing, water quality testing, sanitary shoreline surveys, and weather events. Also important is the proximity to water treatment plants, wastewater outfalls, and docks. You can see that partially closed and fully closed areas are colored differently. The dark orange means that an area is closed to all shellfish harvesting, and the light orange color means that an area is open to harvesting of at least one or more species of shellfish. When clicking on an area, the map will zoom to that location and a pop-up will appear with more information. This area, referred to as biotoxin closure 15-2, notes which species of shellfish are open, or in other words, which species of shellfish may be harvested because they do not currently have an active biotoxin closure notice according to data from the DFO. These areas are listed as open species in the pop-up. You'll notice that there are other areas which are colored red and purple. The purple areas are known as prohibited or restricted areas. These areas are closed to all shellfish harvesting. The sanitary and prohibited areas are often located in the same areas and are always shown within a biotoxin closure sub-area. There are also chemical closures, which, like prohibited and sanitary closures, are closed to all shellfish harvesting. The pop-up under sanitary restricted or prohibited closure states, closure species, all bivalve shellfish. This pop-up should be interpreted as, even though this area is partially open for harvest of some shellfish species based on the biotoxin closure notice, this particular location is close to all harvesting because of an active sanitary closure or other prohibition. Thank you for watching this introduction video. Another video showing more advanced use of the map is available at the end of the Shellfish tour, or if you would like to skip directly to the last step of the progress bar. This video will show some tips and tricks on how to best use the BCCDC Shellfish map.